1.2 order of operations. I can do order of operations.
Excellent. Thank you, Talia. Well done. I can do order of operations, so let's run through this really quick. Can somebody raise your hand and tell me the difference between an expression and an equation? What's the difference between an expression and an equation? Go ahead, Catherine.
An expression is
Okay, so an equation has an equal sign, so it is with an equal sign, and then an expression is with no equal sign, right? Excellent. And then Searing, I think you were the one who gave us this yesterday. What does evaluate mean? Solve. Give an answer, right? And then the last one, order of operations, would be, everybody on the count of three, please read the definition. 1, 2, 3. All right, we got to work on our secrecy there, but that's okay. So the order in which you do things. PEMDAS is our order of operations. I know you guys have seen this before. PEMDAS is simply an acronym for
parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction.
So this is the order in which you would do them when they happen in a problem. However, if you have multiplication and division in the same problem, we say they are what?
In love.
And if you have addition and subtraction in the same problem, we say they are what?
In love.
And because they're in love, they decided that, remember my story, they decided that whichever one comes first is the one that you would take care of first. So if multiplication and division existed in the same problem and division actually took place first in the problem, reading left to right, you would do what first?
Division.
You would do division. Again, I said if multiplication and division were in the same problem, you would do division first if it came first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So then we went on to our second page here, and we wrote down the exact same thing I just said. When addition and subtraction exist in the same problem, do whatever comes first. Ditto for multiplication and division. Then we did some practicing, and what do I call these things right here, these triangular things?
Pizza.
Pizza slices. And the reason I want you to make pizza slices is why? Can someone tell me why I want you to make pizza slices? Ayub said because you have to show your work. How many steps at a time, Ayub? 1 step at a time. So if you simply do 1 step at a time, your problem is going to continue to get narrower and narrower and narrower, right? And so in this situation, we have 3 minus 2 plus 1. Which operation did we do first, Ayub? We did 3 minus 2 first, right? So we wrote down 1, and then we rewrote the rest of the problem. Remember doing that?
Yeah.
And then 1 plus 2 is what? 3. We wrote 3 and we boxed our answer. Okay, I'm going to skip on down to number... Actually, I'm going to go to the next page and show you number 11. This was a bigger problem, yes or no?
Yeah.
As you can see, the problem got smaller and smaller, which made our pizza slice. The problem on this one was when you guys got to exponents, right? So you took care of your parentheses first, because in PEMDAS, parentheses comes first, and then you got your exponents, and you had 4 squared. A lot of you thought 4 squared means 4 times 2. Does 4 squared means 4 times 2? No, this is wrong. 4 squared means you take this exponent, because that's our exponent, right? And it tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself. So you take 4 and you multiply by itself twice, right? What's 4 times 4? 16. Okay, so then we came up with 16, and again, we kept dropping down what we didn't solve yet, and our problem kept getting narrower and narrower and narrower. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Does anybody have a question or need clarification?